Okay, Luke, sing the ABCs. Sing your ABC song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U.
W.
That's it then?
No, keep going. Finish the song. W.
X.
What comes next? Y and
D. D.
now I.
Now we know where B. This is an opening.
Next time, won't you?
Sing me.
Good job.